It's not looking too good for Icahn Enterprises. This huge drop was due to a tweet by a famous short seller, Hindenburg Research. They stated, Icahn has been using money taken in from new investors to pay out dividends to old investors. Such Ponzi-like economic structures are sustainable only to the extent that new money is willing to risk being the last one holding the bag. And things didn't get any better when the company announced earnings today. Let's get into the article. This is coming from Investor Place. IEP stock alert, Icahn Enterprises plunges on dividend cut. So Icahn Enterprises stock is plunging lower by more than 20% today after the diversified conglomerate reported second quarter earnings and announced a quarterly dividend cut of 50% to $1 from $2. IEP stock has been highly volatile following the publication of Hindenburg Research short report, which alleged that Icahn was at risk of a margin call due to taking on too much leverage against his company, among other things. Icahn said the following after the earnings report. I believe the second quarter partially reflected the impact of short selling on companies we control or invest in, which I attribute to the misleading and self-serving Hindenburg report concerning our company. Now, that's not the only metric that was hit hard. It did include other financial metrics as well. In the report, Icahn reiterated that he had entered into a 3-year term loan agreement with his lenders, which he believes has significantly diffused the effects of the misleading Hindenburg report. Today, Hindenburg Research tweeted the following. On May 2nd, we predicted that Icahn Enterprises will eventually cut or eliminate its dividend entirely, barring a miracle turnaround in investments. Today, IEP reported further investment losses and slashed its dividend by 50%. All right, so let's go to the charts to see where the bottom is, right? Because this stock is going to continue to decline. All right. So the chart suggests we have support at the $20 level. But I want to go, this wick cut through that. So I'm not sure if that's gonna, that $20 level is gonna be sustainable. So let's go lower. All right, let's just put a line at the $10. Obviously, there were buyers down here between, say, 10 and 8. Now, when Icahn was able to establish that 3-year loan, we've seen a surge in the price. Price bounced from 20 to about 35 before the next leg down. Let's go to the weekly chart. And this is where all the volume came in. You kind of see that the volume wasn't nearly as much as the down volume. So this kind of gives you an indication that this pullback was going to be short-lived. All right, let's see if we see anything now in that $10 area. And here you go. Can't make this up. So huge volume came in November of 2003. It's the reason why price rebounded so violently from the $10 level back in March 2010. All right, so we're going to draw another line. I'm just going to put it here. Price is at 25. The question is, will price eventually breach this, close below this, and trickle down to the $10 level? Just going back up to the monthly chart. You can see how price just bounced off of this level many times. It did breach it, making this level invalid, but price has memory. And this is the reason why it bounced off of this level again a couple times this year. There are no real buyers in between this band and these lines here, as indicated by this huge wick, which is why I had to go lower to the $8, $10 area. Let's go to the daily chart. Now, what's encouraging for the bulls? Price did collapse, but after the collapse, price rose. Again, it could be that support. The buyers protecting that $20 level. You know, maybe it's called Icahn's group or cronies. If it drops below 20, maybe that's when the margin call gets pulled. Don't know. It's very interesting though. This is a no-touch stock for anyone out there listening. There are better opportunities out there. Icahn has been infamous for going into companies, tearing it up, only to squeeze out lemon for his companies. Now he's potentially getting a taste of his own medicine in a different way, though. This is a no-touch. There'll be other opportunities. I anticipate further declines in this stock. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.